Now let's get started with operating your drone with the Tello app. In this lesson, I will not be going over step by step on how to operate the drone. I want you to download the Tello or Tello Edu app and try playing with it for a while so you can get the idea of how the app and drone works. Although I will do a quick overview on how you can start your drone, so make sure you watch this short lesson before you start playing with your drone. The screen on the left is the Apple App Store, and the right will be Google Play. On either app stores, search for the Tello Edu app. If you are using the white Tello drone, you will need to download the Tello app. This Tello app will work for those who have a Tello Edu drone, although the function will be limited, so make sure you are downloading the correct app for your drone. Now let's get started. In my case, I'm using an Android phone, so I'll download the app from the Google Play. Search Tello and you'll see the app on the top. In my case, I will be using the Tello Edu app, which is the one with the orange icon. Since I've already downloaded, the button says Open. For those of you who haven't downloaded the app yet, you should click on the Install button. Once you have downloaded, open the app. You will see the privacy policy on your screen, so check on the checkbox to agree on the policies. The screen will go on to some scenes as if you're starting a game. I'll fast forward this part. Once you are at the home screen, you will see a red controller icon on the left corner of your screen. As we click on this icon, we will be launching the controller. If it is your first time with the app, you will see this character explaining the app. I'll skip this part so you can see the controller. First, I want you to connect the drone to the Wi-Fi. Click on the orange button on your left top corner. Press the power button on your drone. Once your drone is on, you will see that a Wi-Fi connection starting with Tello appears on your screen. Click on the Tello to connect your drone. Once you've connected your drone with Wi-Fi, you need to go back to your Tello Edu app. As you connect the drone, you will see that the takeoff button is enabled on the right side of the screen. Place your drone in a spot where you can fly it safely. Then press the takeoff button. Now the drone is in the air. To control your drone, you will be using the cross key on the right side. This cross key will let you fly the drone left, right, forward, and backward. The cross key on your left will let you rotate the drone to left and right. Also, you will be able to control the drone to fly higher or lower. To flip the drone, you can click the arrows in the middle. Once you do a flip, the arrows will be grayed out for a while. Once the drone is in a stable position, the arrows will be enabled for another flip. To change the flight speed of your drone, there is a cursor on the bottom of the screen. Move the cursor to the right to speed up. Once you've changed the speed level, use the right cross key to see the speed change. To make your drone slower, move the cursor to the left. Then use your right cross key to see the difference. Now we will land the drone. I want to be able to show you the landing in the screen, so I'll back up the drone a bit. Then I press the red button on the right to land. Now I'll be flying the drone using blocks. Click on the back button on the left top corner. The screen will show you this screen. You will be choosing the green puzzle piece shaped button. Then you will see this message, so hit OK. I'm going to skip the explanations. Now we are in block mode. Now let's start setting the block. Set the Press to Start block on top. Then click on Motion and choose Takeoff. You can drag and drop below the first block to connect. Now we can go to Control and choose Repeat. Clicking on the number, you are able to set how many times you wish to repeat the action. Now we go to Motions and choose Left. I'll drag it in the return block. We can also set how far left we want the drone to fly, so I choose 21 centimeters. Now I can go back to Motions and choose Right. Again, I'll set it to fly 21 centimeters. Finally, I'll choose land to finish the flight. Here we've created a flow, so let's press the press to start button and watch the drone fly. The drone takes off. Now it flies 21 centimeters left and 21 centimeters right. We set to repeat this action so we see the drone fly left and right again. Now it goes down to land. So that's how we operate the drone using blocks. We will be going into details in our next lessons. There are many actions you can set your drone to do. Have a look at all the options you have. In our next video, we'll go into the training station.